Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I am Dr. Akram Abdelbari, President of the Southwest Asia and Africa chapter of ELSO. This year's SWAAC ELSO conference will be held in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, one of the most important and experienced countries in ECMO service. We will have pre-conference workshops with hands-on training in different parts of ECMO and 2 days with 60 speakers from all over the world sharing their experience in COVID and beyond. You can register either physically or virtually, and we wish you the best of luck. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Yatin Mehta, Chairman, Vedanta Institute of Critical Care and Anesthesiology and the past President of SWAAC ELSO. I welcome you all to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for the SWAAC ELSO annual conference. The team led by Dr. Mohammad Azam has done a wonderful job. Scientific program is excellent and I'm sure you will have a wonderful scientific as well as social meetings. Thank you.